So yeah, so like I was saying, your temple peaks here are quite strong. So that hairline that Colin's drawn in is a good one for you.
Just a little bit further back in the middle of your head. Perfect. Over there.
What was that, Mo?
I was telling you that I didn't know that Colin is wearing a hair system. It looks really weird for me. Although I've been wearing a hair system for 3 years now.
Yeah.
I didn't notice that he's wearing one.
Oh, he's going to blush. Hold on, that deserves to have
16 years for you, mate.
hair for Hertfordshire put into this clip. Here's Mo's new template created. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.